friends, welcome to Life Yantra channel. Today let's see how to make a very simple grilled fish. It's going to be super flavorful. We are going to use a lot of herbs. We are going to use paprika. It's going to be amazing. Now let's see the ingredients. Salt, pepper, paprika, olive oil, sea bass fish. Now I'm using sea bass. If you want to use sea bream, kingfish or pomfret, you can use it, but you need to use a firm fish. Now this fish I have degilled and decutted it, and I have also descaled it. Herbs, lemongrass, oregano, lemon slices, you need to use it as wedges, and then garlic minced. Now let's marinate the fish. First I'm going to use a bit of olive oil. Let's nicely coat them on both sides. Let's use some salt. Next, let's season it with some pepper. Some paprika. Let's now season it with the herbs. First let's use the lemongrass. Use lemongrass with sparingly because it's a bit too strong. Mix with the oregano. Now let's season the belly as well with salt, pepper, let's season with some herbs as well. Now we have seasoned it with herbs. Now let's wedge these lemon slices into the belly. Now we have marinated the fish. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Let's take a grill pan and keep heat setting to medium high. Now once the griddle is very hot, let's pour in some oil. Now my griddle is nice and hot. I'll drizzle some olive oil. Let's coat it. Once the olive oil is coated, let's drop in the fish. Now let's toss in the minced garlic. And keep some lemon wedges on the top. Now let's close it and griddle it 5 minutes on each side. Now let's change the sides. Now my fish has cooked in one side for 5 minutes and I have turned it over. Now I'm going to cook it in this side for 5 more minutes and then I'm going to garnish and serve it. Now it has cooked in both sides for 5 minutes. I'm going to take it off the grill. Now let's serve it with some lemon wedges.